Arpeggios can be a really fun and beautiful way to warm up on the piano. Today I'm going to show you 5 incredibly beautiful and fun arpeggio patterns to warm up with. And be sure to stay to the end because the arpeggios get more and more epic as they go. Alright, let's get started. An arpeggio is basically when we break up a chord like this. If this is C major, then an arpeggio is going to be just the notes of the C major chord broken up like this. So for our arpeggio warm-ups that I'm going to go over today, we're going to use this chord progression. A minor, F major, C major, G major. And these chords are always A, C, E, F, A, C, C, E, G, and then G, B, D. No matter what order you play them in. So the first warm-up I call moving uphill. All right, this is our first one. It's our easiest one, but it's still really pretty. So we're gonna start on A minor, and all we're gonna do is move up from bottom to top. Like I said, it's called moving uphill. So you're gonna go like this, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. So all you did was move up. And you're gonna do it twice. Then you're gonna move to the next chord, which is F major, and you're gonna do the same thing twice. Then the next chord is C major. And the last chord is G major. All right, and so you're just gonna do that and kind of, once you get used to it, increase the speed. And if you know how to use the sustain pedal, it's going to sound more pretty if you use the sustain pedal. Another thing you can think about is playing it in a lower octave or moving to a different place when you do the chord. So I played it up here, but it also sounds really pretty if you move it down. So that's something to think about as well. You don't have to play them in the exact same places that I did. All right, warm up number 2 is what I call flowing stream. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna play the regular chord in our left hand. So I went like this. In my left hand. So the same chord progression we were doing before, which is A minor, F major, C major, G major. The tricky part is really with our right hand. So what I did was I went like this. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. It's just that pattern. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Then I repeat it. So I play that pattern twice like this. Then I'm going to move to my next chord, which is F major, same pattern. 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. C major, G major. And just like the other one, you could play it lower. All right, warm up number 3 is what I call reaching high. So it's kind of expanding upon the first one that we did. So we're gonna move upwards from our left hand, 5, 3, 1, then right hand, 1, 3, 5. And all I'm doing is getting finger 2 with my left hand and crossing over and pressing A. So 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, A. Because I'm playing A minor, all right? Then I'm gonna move to F major, same thing. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, F. C major, C, and then G major. All right, so that is the third one, reaching high. And again, you could play it in different places, and it's really pretty. So which arpeggio is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments. Warm-up number 4 is called reaching really high. It's kind of expanding upon the last one that we just did, and it's just even more epic. All right, so what I did for this is I'm starting a little bit lower on the piano. So this is an A, this is A, A. So it's the third A from the bottom of the keyboard. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Then I'm getting my left hand, I'm replacing where my right hand was. I'm gonna move my right hand up the next octave. And I'm gonna go 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, A. So watch that again. Then you're gonna do the same thing with F major. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, replace. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, cross over. Same thing with C major. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, replace. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, cross over. And then you're gonna end on G major. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, cross over. So it turns into this beautiful arpeggio. All right, warm-up number 5 is called the flowing river. These are bigger chords that we're going to be using, so this is the most challenging one. I'm going to have a bigger A minor, so there's an A here and an A here. All right, so like I said, this is a bigger chord. So in our left hand, we're gonna have more simple chords, just the regular chord as before. But our right hand is gonna be the more tricky one. And so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. So you're gonna have your fingers like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, over A minor, but don't get tense, stay relaxed, otherwise it's gonna hurt, okay? Do not get tense. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. That's the pattern. And you're gonna do that on every chord. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. F major, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. C major. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. And then G major. All right, that was all 5 arpeggios. I hope you guys enjoy warming up with them. And please keep in mind that they're gonna sound way prettier if you play the sustain pedal correctly. If you don't know how to play the sustain pedal correctly, I definitely recommend watching this video. These arpeggios are fun, but if you can't apply them to actual songs, then what's the point of learning the piano? So what I recommend doing is watching my free training, because I show you exactly what to learn on the piano in order that will help you go from 0 to playing your favorite songs much faster. The link is in the description below. But don't just take my word for it. I've taught tons of people the piano through this method, and one of them is named Dave. Dave went from taking a few lessons as a child, then stopping for 50 years, and he returned with my Piano Accelerator program, and this is what he sounded like after just 3 months. He does have a full video testimonial, and I will link that in the description below. So to watch my free training and see Dave playing and talking about my program, click in the links in the description below. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.